Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Detail Hot Lap and we will be going to install a Rola Roof Basket on the Jeep Grand Cherokee today. So this is a fairly easy install. Feel free to stop at any point. I will flash up the directions and install manual here shortly. But we're going to go ahead and lay out all the parts, mention what part I'm using at each time, and we should be good to go. And we'll throw it up on the vehicle, and I definitely will need help for that. Put some cardboard down. I usually use the box that it comes with because it is big enough. Let's put them together in a non-married fashion, which is exactly like this in the first step. We're gonna go ahead and apply small amount of rubber safe lubricant on the inside of each rubber gasket. I have this AT205 reseal. It is perfect on rubber, so I'll just go ahead and use that. Put it in a spray bottle, and we'll just go ahead, put a small amount on there, and we'll do all 4 of them. Okay, the next step, slide the rubber gaskets about 1 inch onto the locator. So put the big one on this guy, and then I believe you fold it over until you reach one of the bolts. I believe you can go over that. Perfect. Perfect. So it should be good right there. And then the smaller guy, we'll do it on the smaller guy. Okay, perfect. Go ahead and put these in the slots, and then we'll use these guys. Washer through and screw them into there. Okay. this on the vehicle. Okay, so basically we want to line the crossbars with the middle of the roof rack. Make sure we set this in between these bars as well. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it back there. Set that guy in there. We'll do the same thing on the other side, but we'll go ahead and get that lined up there. I like to have the hand nut on one side, hook it around, and then tighten it to this back side, and then screw it in, and you should be good to go. And then we'll do it on all four sides, and then you should be fine. Just make sure that these do not sit on the outer edge of the support beam. Make sure it sits on a flush solid material, because you do not want this thing to fall off the vehicle or potentially smash the crossbar connection point. So and then once you get all four of these installed, you can go ahead and tighten these down. Make sure they're tightened down. Make sure this thing cannot move. Make sure it's centered on the car. You should be good to go. Make sure you do not hit your garage on the way out as well if you're in a garage. Make sure you know you have that much clearance. And then that should be about it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.